3 simple tricks to score amazing in physics. Merry early Christmas. Scoring in physics means you got to master this simple trick of learn, apply and solve. First, let's tackle learning. You don't have a lot of time in hand, so do what your brain does the best. Making connections. Understand the flow of topics and group them according to how you understand them. Don't mix mechanics with optics if at the end of the day you're not going to understand even a single thing in that. Secondly, apply what you've learned. There are 2 ways to do that. Either you solve HC Verma or you can just go around teaching a class. I've talked about all of these methods, well, except for HC Verma, at length in these previous videos that I've linked right up here, so check them out. Finally, and the most important thing to do is solve. Target a specific exam. If you're a JEE student, solve those questions. If you're a NEET student, solve those questions. Don't mix them up because this is where you're going to specify the kind of preparation you're going to be making. That way you'll get a hang of the kind of questions you'll be appearing for in your competitive exam. Now this is the most important thing. After the solving session is done, spend time analyzing your responses. You will get multiple different question and answers on the internet, or in your guidebooks, in any possible bookstore that you can find, wherein you can actually compare your answers with the correct answers and see how well you're fared. That way you'll be able to build a proper attempting strategy for any competitive exam you attempt. My recommendation, if you have a 3-hour exam like JEE or NEET, spend 1 hour doing physics because your math and biology will take longer time. Chemistry usually does not take that much time. So spend the average amount of time. 1 hour should be the most appropriate. Remember, self-study is the best possible way to do preparation for any possible exams. Trust me, you can self-study through all of these competitive exams. All the best for it. Thank you and happy learning.